Today I'm gonna install the Heartbreak Mopeds pull start on my Pinto build. I got all the tools I think I'm gonna need laid out. 3mm Allen wrench, spark plug wrench, 16mm socket for the new hardware that comes with the kit, 14mm to take off the original flywheel nut. Mine already has the flywheel cover removed. So, all right, let's get it. I'm gonna start off by removing the spark plug. Yeah. Put the piston stop in. Then we'll switch to the 14mm socket. Slowly turn it till it hits the piston stop. Boom. So now we're going to install the paw that comes with the kit and the new nut. We're going to insert the nut into the paw. Start threading it on. Finger tight. 16mm socket. I'm rotating mine until it hits the piston stop. Alright, time to install the pull start. Pull start facing up. Pop it on, line it up. It fits pretty snug. So I'm gonna start tightening it in and then slowly work the top and bottom bolt so it kind of goes on even.